How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your Instagram post from someone without blocking them. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings and activity section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled restricted. And with this feature, you can restrict certain people, preventing them from seeing your post without blocking them. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the search bar and after that search for the user that you want to restrict. And once you have found them, simply select them by tapping on restrict beside their username. And once restricted, they won't be able to see your post, but they won't be blocked either. And that's it. It's a simple way to keep your post private from a specific person. So with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.